I got Steven, got the boat. We're gonna go pick up Mike. We're gonna go hit the lake.
Cassie's up too. Just walked through the kitchen. Oh shit.
Alright, me and Steven went and picked up Mike, headed to the lake.
You got him?
The hell's that?
He's reeling the hell out of it though, isn't he? Watch out, Steven.
Oh,
Oh,
damn it.
Man! God!
Go ahead and you grab it for me, Steven. You were just watching.
I'm trying to.
Back up from the camera and everything else. Hell, you know, 3 people, we ain't got no room. I couldn't reach over you and all your shit.
That was damn at least 3 pounds right there.
Yep, here we go, man.
Nice.
Alright, Steven, help me this time, buddy. Alright. Hit it.
Is that just the trailer?
No, that was the whole jig. You sit my ass down. There's your 6, 7 tonner.
Shit.
That's about 5.
4 to 5.
What do you think?
I like the 4, 4 and a
I
half.
got spring skill.
Here.
You got fishing lures all up in that too. This one, that's my pink bug. You got a digi on you?
Yeah.
I want to see how.
There you go.
I'm just curious to know how good, how on point this thing is. My little spring skill.
4 and a half.
4, 4.
Hell yeah.
Let's see about this right here.
It's right there, Bobby.
Bitch. You can't just chill. Chill. You can't just do that paint baits and shit up in you, man. Fuck. Oh, yeah, I didn't even take my picture with it.
You let him go.
Bitch! Get your ass over here.
Where the fuck are you at?
Oh! Oh! Shit! God damn! What the fuck is flying through here?
God. Did y'all see him take it off? Good God. Y'all saw how fast he was going, right?
Yes, he was.
Hey, turn that camera. Yeah, I got him on all of them at the same time. How about that? You got the double 6 inline, the pumpkin seed from Redneck's Custom Jigs, and the Cinco from Walmart. How you like that? God,
That's what happened the last time.
he was pissed off.
Sorry, Owen. This thing got hung up.
Oh, you made a mess.
Pick it up, pick it up.
Yeah. It was madder than hell.
Where'd you catch him on?
catch a fish and went that fast.
Where's the pedal at? I don't know if we can handle that.
Put a hole in the boat. God, what a mess.
Where's the fish at?
Huh?
Where's the fish?
I threw him out of here. Pissed me off.
You ain't weighed him?
No, he wasn't but a damn pound.
He could have helped you.
I'm going by fish count, not fish weight.
It was go by 5 fish limit at max weight.
No, we disagreed on that on the way here. Mike always catches bigger fish. We can't have a competition with you with big fish.
Hey, you know what? Who gives a shit? I haven't even caught a fish. I'm in third place.
You're in third, you're the last.
I'm in third. I'm in last. But
If we're going by count, we should count that person of mine that come in the boat and went back out.
No.
It should. It takes the boat.
You didn't get the hook off of him. He got the hook off himself and took off.
They still landed in the boat.
No, it didn't land in the water.
The person landed in Stephen's lap.
it didn't land in my lap though.
I know that poor damn
It
thing.
came in the boat.
He came in the boat right here.
So if we're going to
He
count
went,
fish
right
numbers,
here
I'm at 2.
and then went out.
Mike's making up girl rules.
Girl rules. Mike, you still won. You got the biggest damn fish.
I don't know about that number of horse shit. You gotta catch big fish. Any tournament you go to, they're not gonna tell you to count 30, 40 fish. They're gonna tell you
Not
55.
true. I watch those tournaments on TV all the time. They count little bitty tiny, like not even an ounce fish. If you catch it, it's one. They do that a lot in Texas.
We ain't in Texas, we're in Georgia.
Stop laughing. I can't
I
fish
don't do
big
stuff.
fish against you,
I
man.
don't do stuff Texas way.
You Texas rig all the time. Shut up.
But yeah, you got me.
I'm about to cut every one of these off.
Roll the whole tree up.
Woo! Yeah! That's awesome.
They caught me a fish place.
You need to hold that one up like a trophy.
It's a trophy today.
Oh yeah. Fish is a fish today, right?
That's a trophy.
I want to see that. Let me hold him. Oh!
That's a trophy right there, boy.
That's the world's biggest largemouth bass.
Give me a little tug out. Dude, tie him on a hook.
Yeah.
What? Here, put him out somewhere. I don't want him.
I don't want him either.
At least I caught it there.
That's right. Tied game, boys. Good. Fucking really. Mike's back in the lead.
I'm about to throw over there.
There's another big one down.
Mike. Just got tied back
Decent
on.
one, little one too.
open in reverse just to hold us.
Oh, you fucking got it, don't you?
Huh?
Fucking swimming with it.
Like that.
Good God.
All right, man.
Oh, shit. Hell yeah.
That was a nice catch, Steven.
Whew. Little fighter.
Come on.
Pumpkin seed from Rednecks Custom Lures. Awesome. Not bad right there. Where's that scale at? Mike, you still got the scale?
Should be right there, I think.
That black one? This one's kilograms. I don't know how to change it.
I don't see that.
I think it's in that bag, probably. There it is right there. A little bit smaller than Mike's. What do y'all think?
We'll say about 4.
I think he's 312.
3-2. Heck yeah.
I don't know how the hell it's squatted over.
What's up, guys? We're done with the tournament for today. Mike came in first place. He had it was 5 fish for about 6 or 7 pounds. I got second place. I had 2 fish and it was about 4 pounds. And Steven came in third with his probably 1/4 of a pound or less. I don't know, that thing's pretty small. But all in all, it's a good day of fishing. Wasn't really great conditions, but we got out there and we pulled them in, so it worked out pretty good. Y'all be sure to subscribe to our channel, check out our other videos, and let us know what you think. If you got any ideas or suggestions, anything you want us to let you know, try out, just holler at us and let us know what you want to do. Appreciate it.